So today I'm going to demonstrate how to do averages in Excel. So let's share my screen. If I come into my ready-made Excel spreadsheet, you can see this is Newton Booksellers, exercise we're all familiar with now. And if I want to work out the average of September, October, November and December sales, what I need to do is go in here, okay, in here, and in the formula section, we will see there's recently used ones up here, which I may have, but there's also insert function, okay? Insert function. Another way of doing it is if I type equals in here, equals, lets Excel know that I am always going to put a formula in here, okay? So I could type equals average because I know, because I've been using Excel for a long time, that that's how to get the average. However, the easiest way for you guys is if we look here under auto sum, average, okay, average. There we go. So I would type equals, come to auto sum and do average, okay, average. And I want to tell it the average of these ones here. Okay. Average. There we go. Not the total, but just September, October, November, December. There we go. Okay. And I can put that in. So to do that again, I just come to auto sum, I do average, and I use my left mouse button to highlight which ones I want to average. Okay. And once more in here, auto sum, average, and use my left mouse button to tell Excel which sales I want to average. Now, once I put average in once up here, I could actually just copy the formula down if I'm using the same one. I just wanted to demonstrate a few times. Okay, so there we go. So this is the average. 244 is the average of 201 plus 198 plus 278 plus 298. Add all these up, divide by 4, which is the number of items, and that gives us the average, and that's our average there. Okay. So that's how we calculate averages.